Bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red.
All right, good morning, guys. Hi. Okay, so basically my name is Anaya. For that guys don't know me, I'm a bioscience major, and today you're gonna be it's like a week in my life. I need to clean up I have so much shit to do this week. I have a course that I take on a weekday to get a better job, is on chapter 8, and I'm still on I'm like in chapter 3, which I understand everything. I understand about chemical spills. I understand the whole thing about chapter 3, so I need to get to chapter at least 7 by tomorrow. So we won't be in a library all day. I have chemistry course, and I think it's gonna be fun, so I'd rather you guys see it. And then I'm gonna upload videos, try to every day. So but this week is just a week in my life, and then after this video I'm gonna try to upload videos every day, so stay tuned.
Miss Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got.
So I'm on my way to kind of class. Totally, I don't know. This is the first time not late. Ooh. My class starts at 9:25, and right now it's 9:23. We chilling on time.
I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you take it.
I forgot my lab. So I forget my lab book in my dorm room. I need to hurry up and get it. I gotta put the rotor on. Oh my god. Alright, I'll see you guys back. Oh god. Back in class when I get my book. Alright.
Okay, go ahead.
No touching anything until you put goggles on.
Started.
Okay.
There you go. And there's 2 on the bottom.
Not in the beaker.
Yeah.
In your jar.
Right here?
And then
That's the 600 milliliter beaker. Remember that.
Okay. So I just finished here.
When it helps you get it.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause we blow like a seaford. My whole flow like a seaford. Money, all money. Big hot G's in the trash, they blowing. Tick-tock, tick-tock, glass, with a handful of girls. They all so fine. Rain so pleasant, rainbow sun. Light skin chick, first light from mine. Whole life thanks, light from They loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew. Oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew.
I don't want to throw this out, but I don't want this. My boyfriend said I look like a granny with this, and I thought this was cute for like vacation, but he told me I look like an ugly ass grandma, so no. Period.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say no fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seaford. My whole flow like a seaford.
Okay guys, this looks better. So right now we're gonna get something to drink. You guys something to drink? What are you getting?
My sweet tea.
What is that?
It's peach tea.
I never tried that. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
This semester?
Yeah. Oh.
I have like $60 left.
What the fuck? You're so crazy. I'll see you guys back in the library. I just need to get something to drink because I'm thirsty. Okay, but nobody looking at me. Nobody really cares. Okay. I don't feel bad and embarrassed. I don't want you to think I wasn't doing anything, but I really was. I wrote this whole page. This page so far, I did this a little bit from here down. I did this from down here, that, and I learned a little bit. I learned about this. You scared the crap out of me. Alright guys, Melanie's here. You just finished class or something?
Yeah, I was in class.
You had class in the library or something?
They're just like doing scavenger hunt here.
Oh, not bad, not bad. Hold on. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
The range of F is not all numbers. For example, 17 is out of the range.
My camera's gonna die.
Because that would be the 650, so it's a step function. If x plus 3 equals 7, or the negative of x plus 3 equals 7, which is the second way we did it. But another way to say this.
Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. You never check, I don't wanna receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon'
Okay, what's some of your top sex is too bad and too fast for like solid.
It's snowing, guys. I'm gonna get food. Hold on. I'll see you when I get my Uber Eats. Okay, we're doing a snowball fight. Olivia. Ooh, you gonna let her talk to you like that? Oh. Now we gotta get a few more people and then we're gonna go play, okay? Look at this. Beautiful. And look at yours. Oh. This is gorgeous. Here we go. Just do that thing. Hold on. Hey! Hold on. Hey! Come on. But turn Cardi B off. I don't want to get her copyrighted. Please, please, please. I'm right on my toes. All right, guys. Good morning. It's still the afternoon, so we did our snowball fight. We were supposed to go snowball and snow. So first thing is first is Jessica. Let's see what you're learning about nursing school.
So today we're learning about, I think it's called like learning behavioral objectives. So we're doing behavior about people and like how as nurses we can be able to recognize
that's too long.
behavior.
All right.
My name is Jessica and I'm a bad bitch. And I think that Anaya is gonna be the drunkest tonight.
I am. Right, we go to Hofstra University,
We
right?
go to Hofstra, and yeah, we're just bad bitches that go to Hofstra.
Yeah. First, who's next is Danielle. Look at her handwriting. Look how pretty. Well, imagine someone just crumpled up your paper. How would you feel?
Don't try that shit.
Okay. No, I'm not. I see that's a lot of work. So, like, what's your major and
business analytics?
And how do you like Hofstra University?
It is amazing.
It's an amazing school. Oh my gosh.
I met all my lovely friends here. I just transferred here in the fall.
Oh my god.
All right, Olivia. Oh wait, Quay. We got Quay. Olivia, you wasn't ready. She wasn't ready yet. I don't want to do her dirty. So tell me.
All right. I'm Quay. I'm studying my aviation. I love Hofstra.
You love Hofstra, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And I was trying to go outside, but y'all tricked me.
That's sad. Turn.
I'm not doing anything right now, so.
Well, I'm gonna edit. Yeah, I got the shirt. Don't worry. The shirt is gone.
I should be doing homework, but I'm not.
She's helping me with mine.
Instead, I'm doing Anaya's homework. So.
Wait. Let's rephrase that. I don't want no professor saying that. No way. Hold on. She's helping me edit my paper. I'm writing now on Google Docs. This is the next person. It's Wendy.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, what are you doing?
I'm looking. I need to write an essay, girl.
About what?
About myself.
Are you trying to be an RA?
I have to do other things too, though. I have this essay needs to be written for my colleges.
Bye. Okay, guys. Let's get a shot of me. Shimmy. Alright. I look a little bit. I'm kind of scared. So right now, let me put you guys on. I'm about to... Wait, hold on. Let me turn this off. Let me see how it look with the later. Damn, I don't got shit in here. Does it work? Okay. Oh, this is better. Okay, guys. So right now, I'm about to go see my friends. I haven't seen them in like forever. And I'm kind of scared because I had not seen them in forever. So I'm gonna go hang out with them in like a few minutes. I'm kind of scared. It's like my guy friends, and I look kind of like this. Like I made sure I look good. I got the dunks on. You feel it? All right. So I'm gonna tell you guys how it goes. I was thinking about me and my friends. We should do a channel. Like I think that would blow up like crazy and make our. I'm trying to see. I gotta convince one. It's me and him. It's probably if he says yes, then it'll be me and him, and we post the videos like crazy. But if he says no, then I'm gonna be kind of tight because I want a person to do a channel. It won't be fun. So like if we let us know, like if anybody's watching us, let me know if we should do a video together. We're gonna be funny. We'll post on my channel, we'll post on his channel, we'll make it just a channel together. I would like that shit gonna be fire, like, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I look kind of cute, don't I? Bro, hold on. Hang tight. Hey, vamos a steady. Okay, bye. Snack.